In this tutorial, you will learn how to create smooth animations using the Match and Move feature in Canva's video editor. Let's start. Open a blank video page, click on Elements, select an image. Let's place it here. Click on Color. Select some background color. Reduce size of this image. Now click on Text, add heading. Now change it to uppercase, change heading to uppercase, reduce its size, place it here. Now duplicate this page, select this image and place it here, increase its size, increase this text size, place it here. Click on page transition, match and move, increase duration. Now when we run, it will look like this. Now select this image, reduce its transparency to 0. Select this text and transparency to 0. When you run, it will appear like this. Now add another page. Click on background color. Under document color, select solid color. Now go to Elements. In the search box, search for food. Click on Photos. Let's select this image. Select another image and this one as well. Let's reduce the size and place it here. Similarly, reduce its size and let's place it here. Now reduce this one as well. Adjust it. Reduce and let's adjust these images. Now duplicate this page, reduce this, select and reduce the size, place it here, place it here, increase its size. Now duplicate this page, select this page, select this image, reduce its size. Let's place it here. Similarly, select it and increase its size. Let's place it here. Now select it. This one down. Bring this one down. Now click on page transition, match and move. Increase the duration. Apply between all pages. Now when you run, it will work like this. Now let's add another page. Click on background color. Let's select this color. Let's select yellow color. click on document colors, solid color, adjust and change the color. Click on elements. In the search box, search for shape. Let's select this shape, increase its size, place it in the middle. Now click on heading, add some heading. Now change it to uppercase, change font to enter. Let's place this text here. Click on effects, select curve, reduce its curve like this. Duplicate this, change this text, select rotate, and let's do it like this and place it on the bottom side. Now click on transparency, reduce transparency to 0. Now select this way and click on group. Now increase its size, place it here, increase size. Now rotate it slide. Click on elements. In the search box, search for food. Click on photos. Let's select this. Reduce its size, place it here below the text. Now duplicate this page. Let's select this page, select this text and rotate it like this. Now select this image and bring it to the left side like this. Place it here. Now select this image, reduce its size, place it here. Now select this image, increase its size, click on animate, baseline, reduce its speed, click on page transition, match and move. Now when you run, it will work like this. Okay. So now click on elements, click on BG remover so that it will remove its background. Click on text, add some heading. Click on font, select leaks pattern. Increase this text size. Select duplicate. Let's change this text. Now click on layer, send backward. Now select this text, layer and send backward. So it will look like this now. So now duplicate this page, layer, show layers. Now select this layer and bring it on the right side. Similarly, click on mango layer and bring it to the left side like this. Now click on page transition, match and move, increase duration and click on play. It will work like this. Now select this page, duplicate this page. Let's move this page at the end. Click on page transition, match and move. And when you run, it will work like this. Now add another page. Click on color. Let's make changes to document color. click on sand color. Let's select some color. Okay. Now click on elements. Let's add another image. Click on BG remover, increase its size. Background is removed. Now place this image on the left side. Click on duplicate page. Select this image and bring it to center. Then right click and duplicate the page. And now bring it to right side like this. Now click on page transition, match and move, increase duration. Now when you run, it will work like this. Here are some tutorials I have created using match and move. You can check out all the tutorial videos right here on this channel.